Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about TCS buyback offer that is announced today in the results. So TCS is buying back its own shares for at 4,150 a share, and it is investing $170 billion in this buyback offer. So I want to uh, tell some points about how the buyback process happens, and if you find the content useful, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So first point I want to mention is the company is buying back means now that all the clients are holding TCS shares, they can sell their shares to the company directly in the open market operations. That means the market opens from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. and this buyback period time will be from 9:45 to 3 p.m. That means after market open, exactly 30 minutes later, this buyback will start, and just before half an hour, it will be closed. That is at 3 p.m. sharp. So you and me can sell if we are holding it in our demat account directly to the company. So this is what buyback offer is all about. The company hasn't announced the dates from from and when the buyback will be starting. We will be knowing it in due course. But at the moment, what we know is it is buying our shares at the rate of 4,150, and it is investing around $170 billion in this program. So this is buying our shares. So how to sell our shares? That's what most of the people must be wondering. So that is why I decided to make a small informative in this video. So I'm using Zerodha platform. So if at all I want to, so I'm holding some shares in my demat account. Okay, so I want to sell them. So how to sell it? It's not like you clicking on TCS and then sell button. No, not like this. You have to search for the correct TCS uh, stock. Actually, this buyback when it happens, the SEBI has given it has started some series, yes. See, if you are holding your shares in NSE, then you have to type BO at the end. That means, let's say TCS hyphen BO. This is for NSE, and in case if you are holding your shares in BSE, then TCS hyphen 7. This is how you have to type, and you will get your stock below it. Then you have to select it and sell it. Let's say if no right now TCS hasn't announced, so you're not finding it. Now let's say anybody and any company has been and doing buyback offer. Let's see, let's type hyphen BO. You see this company Cleducate is right now is buying shares from the clients. So like this, you will find one you know stock here, and you have to script here, and you have to select this, and you have to sell. So click on the sell, then the product type will be in long-term CNC because you are holding it in your demat account. Then type of the order should be limit only, not market, not SL, limit only. Then validity, not the day, it's immediate or cancel IOC. It has to be like this, and then you can click on the sell. Okay, and before that, if you have let's say 50 quantity, you can place order for 10, or you can place order for 15, like that. For every order, Zerodha charges 20 rupees for that. Remember this. So if you want to sell all, then it is better to place the order all at once. So this is how you have to place the order for the selling, and once the order is placed you can see buyers and sellers here, and if company is interested it will buy from you. So this is how you place the sell order directly in the open market from 9:45 to 3 p.m. every day, and the period will be announced by the company in coming days. So this is how you have to apply. And one more thing here I want to clarify is, once you place the order, can you cancel? Yes, you can cancel. You can cancel by going to the orders, and whatever open orders are there you just select it and you modify or cancel it. That's how you have to, you can cancel it. Okay, one more question here is, what happens once the company buys your shares? Okay, in that case you will get the money into your primary bank account that is linked to your uh, trading account. Let's say in the Zerodha you have linked HDFC Bank, you will get the money into HDFC Bank directly from the company. Well, if the company, if the bank rejects that amount, then that money will be credited to your trading account in 4 working days. Sometimes it happens the bank may reject that amount, and if that rejected amount is still lying with company, then it will direct to your trading account within 4 working days as per Zerodha website. And one more thing is that in case what I want to, yeah, just a minute, I wanted to tell one more point here. Yeah, company, when it is sending amount to your bank account, it will deduct some of the money as a tax. 20% is normal. So in case if you are selling 10 shares, so right now the stock is trading around 3,600, so 36,000 you will get into your bank account minus 20% of it. That means 7,200 rupees will be deducted from 36,000, and remaining amount will be sent to your bank account. So tax will be deducted and remaining part only will be sent to your bank account. This is one more point. Okay, so that is what buyback is all about. Buying, you can find more information here. I have opened this in Zerodha website. You can see in this Zerodha what is buyback, how to, you know, participate in buyback offer by the company. Okay, there are two types of buybacks. One is tender offer, and one other is open market offer. What we discussed is open market offer. Even tender offer is also there. So this is different. Generally open market offer is done by the companies. It is easily executed, and Zerodha charges 20 rupees for each order. Okay, and one more point here is, some people may have pledged their shares. For example, even I have pledged my TCS shares. You can see I have only having one share in my demat account. Actually I have 175, out of which 174 I have pledged. Now what can I sell? Yes, you can sell. Zerodha says that you have to unpledge them before offering, before participating in this buyback offer. So yes, why? Because before you sell you have to have them in your demat account. That's what it says. So before, if for example tomorrow is the buyback offer starting, then it is better you have unpledge them before 3 p.m. today. Yeah, how to unpledge them? You have to see, you have to go, you know, let's go to your portfolio. Okay, let's go let's go to portfolio. Here you have to go to your stock here, TCS is there. Just click on it, tap on unpledge. Then if you submit mentioning the quantity, the unpledged request will be placed, and then you the unpledged will be successfully executed by the trading account if you have not used margin that is provided by the Zerodha. So that means if the collateral is not fully used, or to that extent collateral is not used, then unpledged request will be successful, otherwise not. Okay, that is what pledging and unpledging part. But what I want to tell you is, if you want to sell, the shares must be available in your demat account. This is what your demat account. Right now I have only one share here, and remaining 174 shares are pledged. I have to unpledge them, and then only I can participate in the buyback offer. This is one more important point here. Apart from these, um, see, the results from the TCS are, I think, in line with the expectations, but last 1 hour price action is disappointing. Last, in fact, entire day is has formed a complete bearish candle, which is not a good sign at all. If market is not happy with the expectation, it might gap down, maybe somewhere here 3% down will take it to 3500. 3500 is a very good support. So see, whatever, the first half an hour will be tricky. You have to wait patiently, and then only participate in trading. It is better. And technically speaking, the stock is very bullish for the last couple of weeks. So last, even in fact 4 weeks, so it has been in a narrow range, in this box range from 3500 to 3000, and recently it has come off from that 3500. So in case if you get the stock somewhere here 3500, then it is better to take it and wait for the retracement to sell it at higher levels. I think it will, even if it gaps down, it will recover, and it will go to 3700, or kind of, in case if market is happy with the expecting. Because see, IT industry is been under pressure for quite some time, and it is known that the company will be giving not so good results. So I think the results are already factored in the price. So tomorrow recovery is possible even if it gaps down. So that's all, guys, from this video. If you find the content useful, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And if you feel like any friend is in need of information, please forward this video so that more people will know how to participate in the buyback offer. If I find any more information, I will post you in the due course. Fine, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.